Hey Busy Bees, it's Zong, and today I'm partnering with Morningstar Farms to share a colorful summer grillscape. We're gonna be making room on our grill to cook all the colors of the rainbow, and while some might take a little longer than others to cook, it's all gonna be perfect and delicious for your summer barbecue. If you guys enjoy grilling and love barbecuing, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fun video ideas. We'll go ahead and get started with assembling our grilling platter. So speaking of rainbow, of course we have to start with red, and for red I typically love to grill bell peppers. Red bell peppers are sweet and I don't know, just they have this nice char when you grill them. I have about 2 bell peppers here that I've chopped up. I've chopped them into quarters and you want them in pretty big pieces like this. So next, I'm gonna stay with the red pattern that kind of transitions into orange, and I'm gonna be cooking up some andouille sausage. You guys know how much I love food art, so this is really fun for me. Alright, so next up, we're gonna go into orange. And for orange, I typically love to grill salmon. Line them up. To continue with our rainbow pattern, for yellow, I love to grill corn. There's nothing better than grilled corn on the cob for the summer. Oh, that's like probably my favorite thing to grill, vegetable-wise. And it's totally okay if they're touching on the platter. I wanna make sure I have enough room for everything. Beautiful. So for the green, you have tons of options. You can use asparagus, broccoli, but I like to use zucchini because they pretty much go with any kind of food. I cut them into thick wedges like this. Now, blue and purple. I originally was gonna go with a purple onion because that's kind of the only thing that I can think of that's purple, but then when I was at the store, I found these beautiful purple potatoes. Look at this color! So I knew I had to go with these. Now, what I had to do first of all to prep them for grilling was parboil them for about 10 minutes. And don't worry, they're not gonna cook up to be super soft and mushy. If you parboil them, they're just gonna soften for us enough so that we can finish them off on the grill. And finally, for our neutral color, I'm gonna be using Morningstar Farms Veggie Lovers Vegan Burger. These vegan burgers are great because they can be grilled right out of the freezer. I love doing these grilling platters because really there's something for everyone here. Now to finish everything off before we start grilling, I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper on the veggies. This platter looks so beautiful. Let's head on outside and start grilling. I start by laying down all of my ingredients on the grill, making sure that I put the vegetables in the lower heating parts of my grill. Just because they tend to cook faster, I want to have more control over them. Now I'm making room on my grill to cook up Morningstar Farms Vegan Lovers Veggie Burger. They're an easy way to add more plant-based protein in my life. The Veggie Lovers Vegan Burgers are made with 10 veggies, grains, and seeds like mushrooms, celery, carrots, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, brown rice, lentils, you name it. All right, they've cooked for about 3 minutes, so now I'm gonna flip them over. And now I'll check on my andouille sausage, my salmon. Ooh, the corn's looking real good. Let's flip them. And then the purple potatoes tend to take a while, so those and the red bell peppers are gonna be the ones that I pay extra attention to. Everything's looking great. Let's take them off the grill. Now for any of the grilling items that cook faster than others, I like to just move them on top to the warming rack. And here we are with our finished grilling platter. Look at this rainbow of food. You know how they say, make sure to eat all the colors of the rainbow? Well, I'm definitely doing that here. And then some. All right, I'm gonna try my veggie burger. Really great flavors. I taste the seeds, the pumpkin seeds in here, and then the carrots and spinach. These Morningstar Farms Veggie Lovers Vegan Burgers are super approachable and they're capable of fitting into everyone's everyday life. So these are not just for vegetarians or vegans. I'm a meat lover, but I really enjoy these as well. Now I told you guys earlier, I love grilled corn, so I'm gonna have to definitely take a bite out of this one too. All right. right, guys, so tell me what you would add to your grillscape and how would you make it fun and artistic? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to check out the link in the description box below to find out more information about Morningstar Farms Veggie Lovers vegan burgers. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!